outside the villager's city. The wall keeps the piglins out, but how are the villagers gonna get food and supplies? It's a stalemate. It's day 5 and, how are these villagers not panicking? Oh yeah, the president controls the media, so they have no idea what's happening outside the wall. Our guy, the traitor, or should I say, prophet, he's getting followers by the day. Damn, the president, the prophet in jail for spreading fake news. You see, any villager that supports the prophet is also going to jail. The president straight up denies any rumors that there's a hidden army right outside the wall. Instead, he's randomly enlisting villagers to participate in a military training program. Yo, what? The military training program was all a lie! These villagers are actually getting sent to war with the piglins. Are they riding land dolphins? Damn! The piglins slapped the villagers in the first battle. It's day 6 and gravity got so hectic that the moon got stretched out like an egg. It's not even orbiting around Earth no more. It's so close to Earth now that it just looks frozen in the sky. There's like no more day and night. Half the Earth is completely flooded and it's always night, but the other half is like a desert and it's always lit up. Because of the conditions, food sources completely dry up for the piglins. They're starving out here. The piglet leader has no choice but to offer a truce to the president. But he's got one condition. The president has to accept the piglins as refugees into the city. Day 7. Bro, this villager leader is a savage. He's gonna turn down the piglins because he doesn't want his people to know that he's been lying. Yo, the prophet escaped the prison. Where's he going though? Oh snap! He snuck into the president's office. Bro, he just opened the gate. The piglins are coming to town. The president has no choice but to let them stay now. The man just got caught in 4K for lying. The president just took full credit for letting the piglins in. It's day 8 and these ties are getting out of hand. Even the desert areas are starting to flood. Volcanoes and earthquakes are getting worse too. Oh snap! The big boy just showed up. Damn! Volcanic ash is contaminating the air and causing lightning like back in the space. It's snow in the desert. One of the piglet scientists is trying to warn the president that soon the entire Earth is gonna be unlivable. They gotta build an escape rocket and try to save as many people as possible. Okay. The president is finally listening. The man's gonna give a speech. Bruh, he did not. He just blamed all the irregular weather conditions on the Ender Dragon. And he organized a team of celebrities called the Speedrunners to slay the Ender Dragon. It's day 9 and Speedrunners are going off. They're really about to take down the Ender Dragon. Got him. It's day 10 and the prophet is meeting up with the scientists. Rocket ship. The scientists saying at least 3 days though. That's 1 day's too many, sir. Day 11. It looks like the president's holding another rally. Bruh, he's saying the future looks bright and there's nothing to worry about. That's a lie. Just look around. Yo, what? The prophet just showed up. He's trying to convince everyone to join him and help him build a rocket ship before it's too late. Looks like he's actually convincing the crowd. Oh, snap! The Ender Dragon just rolled up. The president just called up the speedrunners, and the crowd is hyped. What? It's day 12? And oh, snap! The moon just landed! Yo! It hit Earth's atmosphere and crashed. A bunch of giant meteors. The moon's meteors turning it into lava. The lava is flooding and killing everything that's left. this much survive so much. We would survive that. The spaceship. This never got bigger, so good. Fly. At least it's possible. Back to normal. The Earth is completely reset. Life is starting to regrow. No! It's the prophet and scientist! I made it!
Berbagi rasa grup apa aja bisa bosku. Diskonnya hingga 200 ribu.
We're living on a rock that's mostly covered in water and is floating in space. How did we get here? Today, we're simulating the entire history of the world with Minecraft. There's nothing. Like, actually nothing. Boring! Can there stop being nothing already? Oh snap, now there's something. It's kind of lonely out here. The somethings should stick together. Aw, the somethings are actually kind of different, but they all get along. Except for this one. Yo, the two friend groups are merging. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. The nerds finally get to join the party. They must be gassed. No, literally. Now the universe is a bunch of gas. It's still lonely out here. Even gas has to stick together. Damn, the gas party is lit. Whoa, who are all these guys? Some stars burn out and die, and others get so hot they blow up. That's Hollywood, I guess. Whoa, who are all these guys? Deja vu. Bruh, there's layers to these stars now. They got rocks, ice, and clouds. Are you surrounded by cornballs?
X X X X X X.
Rocks just smash into each other. It's a mess. Now they're
Look at
floating
turns out
around.
to bushes. Oh no.
Besok lagi.
No.